What's happening, everybody? Canoeing down the Itchituckney River. Look at this water. It's beautiful. It's like paddling.
Swimming hole.
That's a good one. We're going over here in a minute, Kimmy. Tipping you over. In the middle of nowhere.
I like how the current just, you don't really have to paddle. You just enjoy the scenery.
All right, start enjoying on your left side there. There you go, baby. Nice.
Look, they're coming up out of the water.
By God. This is just a good day right here. It's about 60 some degrees outside.
I see another turtle family coming up.
Water's crystal clear. It's about 72 degrees.
The water.
Yes, ma'am. If you guys hadn't canoed down the Itchituckney, you need to come do it. It's beautiful. You're in the middle of nowhere. Well, we'll check in later. Gotta get back to
No, you
daddling.
You can keep paddling. You can keep filming. I got it.
Oh, God.
I got us under control.
All right, folks, if you don't see us,
You gotta get the turtle family.
if we ain't found, you heard what happened.
You gotta get the turtle family.
All right. I can see we're heading into the... Getting off course here in the lagoon. All right, Kimmy, tell everybody bye.
No, you gotta get the turtle family on your video.
Okay.
Zooming in, right down here.
Evidently,
Tell them bye till you get the turtles.
I need to get the turtles, it seems.
I got us covered. Wanna go over there? We'll go over there.
Start digging.
I think we have to, baby.
There's some turtles for you. Kimmy's gonna hit the damn turtles. I gotta go. Guys.